So welcome back to 11 Alive News at 5:30. You know, folks, no one likes to see those blue flashing lights in your rearview mirror, especially if you have no idea what you did wrong.
But asking for an explanation may not go the way you expect. Senior investigator Rebecca Lindstrom joins us now to explain here.
We had a driver reach out to us upset with how a Gwinnett County police officer handled his traffic stop. He was driving a semi-truck for work when he was pulled over by the officer. The officer asked him to step out of the vehicle because he said it was hard to hear. The driver then asked why he was being pulled over. And here's body camera footage of what happened next.
Asking you.
I need to see your license.
Why? I wasn't speeding. I wasn't doing nothing.
I need to see your license, sir, or I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Sir, why are you doing all of this?
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back, or force will be used. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
I'm not doing nothing.
Face the truck. Face the truck. Separate your feet. Separate your feet.
All right.
When I tell you to step out the vehicle, then you stop speaking and let me explain.
All right.
The United States Supreme Court has already deemed. I don't need to give you a reason. You step out, you do as you're told. It's for safety reasons.
We showed this encounter to Thaddeus Johnson, a former police officer who now works in the Criminal Justice Department at Georgia State University. He says the officer is correct. Under the Fourth Amendment, traffic stops are considered seizures. And while an officer does need a lawful reason to pull you over, in most states, they don't have to tell you what it is right away. While Johnson watched the video frustrated that this encounter escalated so fast, he also has some advice for drivers, too.
I just feel like when you assert your authority in that way, you escalate things. It could come across as the officer's power tripping. If I ask for a lot of ID as an officer, you have to produce one. Mm-hmm. You're not going to win these battles with law enforcement on the sidelines, on the street. You're going to win these in court. So one thing, give me your ID, right? Ask your questions, right? And if the officer is escalating, ask for a supervisor.
We did ask about this officer's history. We learned that in 2024, Officer George Kalitsides pulled out his gun during a traffic stop for expired registration. During the review of that stop, he was called out for coarse and/or profane language. And then earlier this year, a driver complained he cursed multiple times and was verbally aggressive and visibly irate to her and her 14-year-old daughter. He was ordered to take a class on interpersonal communication skills, a program, his file notes, he had already taken at least once before. But a Gwinnett police spokesperson said this most recent stop was reviewed and supervisors determined that Officer Kalitsides did not do anything wrong. The stop ended with the driver getting a citation for unsafe lane change. Jennifer?
Rebecca, an important piece here and some important information because sometimes people just don't know what their rights are. So Thank you so much for bringing that to us. Well, like most of our investigations, this story started with a tip from a viewer, someone reaching out to us. So if you would like our team to check something out, give us a call. You can reach us at 404-873-9111. You can also send us an email to investigates@11alive.com.